I'm going to show you how to claim your free NFT on Uniquely.io that is redeemable for wearables in the metaverse and also physical merchandise as well. We are going to cover the Uniquely platform and what makes it so unique, covering their past achievements and their future roadmap. I'm also going to show you how you can use this platform to create your own physical NFT store. And also we are going to discuss the Uniquely token, which was recently listed on centralized exchanges. And full disclaimer, this is a sponsored video. And as you guys know, I don't do many sponsored videos. So when I do them, I make sure to look into the project beforehand to make sure that I am a fan. And when it comes to Uniquely, I definitely am a fan because they are doing what I believe is the future of where we are heading when it comes to e-commerce, the metaverse, and merchandise. So before we get into actually claiming our free NFTs, let's first discuss what this platform even does. And there are a few parts to this. The first part is that these are NFTs that can be redeemed for physical merchandise. And so far, it's been very popular with some big brands, including Cyberkongs, which right now is considered one of the blue chip NFTs. And their first drop on Uniquely went so well that they ended up having a second drop. We also saw drops from Jan Blachowicz, who is a champion in the UFC, and also a partnership drop with NFT New York City. And this is where we're heading with e-commerce and merchandise. The old model was a simple, you buy it and you ship it. Over here, we are now creating these markets where you get an NFT. You can redeem it if you want, or maybe you did want to redeem it and later on you don't, you can go ahead and sell it on a marketplace. Or maybe you want to send it to someone across the country or across the world. You can go ahead and just send them this NFT. And also because it's an NFT, you can get very creative with it. There's more than just physical items. And the packaging is very nice for these products. And as you can also see, each product comes with a QR code that you can use to verify the authenticity of the product. So this is the first part. NFTs redeemable for physical merchandise. And if we look at their roadmap, we can see they hit many of their targets. Now there is full Polygon integration because this was all being done on Ethereum. But as we know, Ethereum gas fees are so high, so they have now integrated Polygon into Uniquely, so the fees are a lot cheaper. And because of this, we can also see that Uniquely is now listed on QuickSwap, which is a decentralized exchange for Polygon. And if you look at the roadmap, you can see there is a heavy focus on the metaverse and augmented reality. So we spoke about NFTs redeemable for physical merchandise, but also Uniquely is going very heavy into the metaverse and augmented reality. And in the future, you will have NFTs that will be redeemable for physical items, but also items in the metaverse, including leading metaverses such as Decentraland and the Sandbox, which Uniquely is very heavily involved in. Even recently, Uniquely purchased a 6x6 estate in the Sandbox for 500,000 US dollars. And they mentioned our estate will be used for metaverse digital fashion exhibitions, parties, mini games, and social interaction with our community. And I know some of you from my previous videos are not a fan of the metaverse. You think it's kind of a joke, and maybe it is. We'll have to see in the future. But the metaverse, in my opinion, is a very serious place where people will live. We already live, as I mentioned before, in a 2D metaverse. We'll just live in a 3D metaverse. And people will want to flex in the metaverse. They already do it right now in the 2D metaverse. They have blue checks on social media, or they put certain profile pictures of NFTs to flex or show their status. And the same thing will happen here in the metaverse. So we have physical items, and then we have these digital items in the metaverse that people will use in the future. And the third thing is something I have not really spoken about much on this channel, but I probably will make a dedicated video for it, and that is augmented reality. Augmented reality is a mix of the real world and the metaverse. Often I hear complaints from people saying, we're heading into the metaverse. Isn't this sad for humanity? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But with augmented reality, you're actually in the real world, but you also have digital features at the same time. And here is a video that Uniquely took in Miami using augmented reality. So this is a video of Miami, right? This is all real in the background. And then you have these metaverse wearables that you can see. This is augmented reality. This is going to be very, very big. It's going to become more common as companies start to produce the equipment needed to live in this world. And recently, Uniquely partnered up with HoloLoot to bring NFT assets into augmented reality. This is going to be very, very big. Like I said, I'm going to probably make a separate video on augmented reality. So we see NFTs redeemable for physical goods, for items in the metaverse, and also augmented reality. And here's a post that ties it all together. So recently, Uniquely held an auction with a painting signed by Gary Vee, and the winner will receive a redeemable NFT painting, physical to hang in a room, metaverse to show in the digital world, and AR to enjoy it everywhere. And this is what I mean when I said I think this is the future of where we are heading in terms of merchandise and e-commerce. And Uniquely is here at the very beginning. So far, they have grown. They have many partnerships with different brands and more to come. And you yourself can create a physical NFT store on this platform. If you head over to Uniquely.io and you go to Generator, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. And if you read through the prompts, it will let you know, connect your MetaMask wallet. You can start editing your items. And then when you're finished, you can apply. And they will review your NFT, and if it gets approved, you are able to then mint your NFT, which, as we know, can be redeemable for physical merchandise. But that's not only it. As this platform grows, these NFTs will be redeemable for physical merchandise, items in the metaverse, and items for augmented reality. So I'll just go through this very quickly just to show you what it looks like. So once you go through those prompts and agree, you can go ahead and you can design your item. For now, they have t-shirts and you can edit it however you want. And you'll also notice here, like we showed before, there will be a QR code at the bottom to verify authenticity when it actually is sent out to people. So now let's go ahead and claim our free NFT on Uniquely.io. And there are 3 different ways that you can claim it. If you go onto the upper right-hand corner, you can see you can claim it on Polygon, Ethereum, or Binance Smart Chain. So claiming anything on Ethereum is very expensive. It will be a lot cheaper to claim it on Polygon or Binance Smart Chain. And as we mentioned, this used to be a only Ethereum platform, but because fees were so high, they have now integrated Polygon. So you can choose the network. We're going to do this on Polygon, right? And if you scroll down, you'll see there are 3 gifts that you can claim, and there are 2 chests that you can claim. And for now, the rewards are hidden. They will be revealed on December 28th. So when it comes to these gifts, there are 3 of them. And for each wallet, you can claim one of these gifts. The first gift is a regular gift that anyone can claim, right? All you need is a MetaMask wallet, so you can claim a gift for your metaverse wearable with the possibility to redeem the corresponding physical item. There's the NFT holder gift. This is for anyone that holds an ERC721 token, which is almost all Ethereum NFTs. Some Ethereum NFTs are ERC1155, but ERC721 is the more common one. And with this, you can also get a metaverse wearable. And together with it, you are able to redeem your physical item too. And then there's also the NFT degen gift. This is for anyone that has held an ERC721 NFT for at least 5 months. With this, you also get a metaverse wearable, and also you can fill a form and get a chance to draw a special physical item with your favorite NFT on it. So you can choose one of these per wallet depending on the category that you're in. Remember, everyone can claim this one, the regular gift. And then there are these 2 chests, and anyone can claim both of these as long as they meet the requirements. The Uniquely Christmas chest requirement is 333 Uniquely payment. And the Genesis Christmas chest requirement is holding a Uniquely Genesis physical collection NFT. So let's go ahead and actually claim this NFT. And we're going to do this on Polygon. So as I showed you, make sure to go up to the top and select Polygon. But of course, if you want to do it on Ethereum, you can. If you want to do it on Binance Smart Chain, you can as well. And also, when you are using the wallet and MetaMask, make sure you're on the right network. Let me show you an example. So if I want to perform a transaction on Polygon, I have to make sure I'm on the Matic network. So if I click up here up top, I'm on Matic. If I want to do it on Binance Smart Chain, I have to be on the Binance Smart Chain network. If I want to do it on Ethereum, I have to be on the Ethereum mainnet. So if you don't have these other networks there, you can add them. So you go over here to add network, and it will bring you to a page that looks like this. If you want to add the Matic network, these are the directions. I will leave a link for this down below. So you take exactly what you see here, you copy and paste it into the boxes. So I'm going to leave a link for this in the description down below, how to add Polygon mainnet to your wallet. And if you want to add Binance Smart Chain to your wallet, same thing. I will leave a link for this down below. You just take these directions, you copy them, and you paste them into the MetaMask settings, and you add the network. So let's go ahead and claim this free NFT, and I'm going to make sure that I'm on the Polygon network. And the one that I'm going to claim is the regular gift that anyone can claim. So I'm going to select claim. I'm going to select the prompts and follow, and then enter my email address, sign the signature request, claim gift from Uniquely Santa, pay this very, very small Matic fee, and confirm. And after that's complete, if you head over to My Items, it will show you your NFTs. And as mentioned before, this will be revealed on December 28th. Now, in order to make a transaction on Polygon or even Binance Smart Chain, while it's not expensive, you still need a very small amount. So the downside of Ethereum and Polygon is when you bridge over. So if you have Matic on Ethereum and you want to bridge it over to Polygon Matic to pay for these fees, or if you have Ethereum and you want to bridge it over to Polygon Ethereum, unfortunately there are high fees, but don't worry, if you don't want to go through this process, I will send you guys enough Matic so that you are able to go ahead and claim these NFTs. But I just want to show you this quickly. If you head over to the Polygon bridge, which I will leave a link for down below, you connect your wallet, and then you can transfer, let's say, Ethereum or Matic on Ethereum into the Polygon Matic version. But it will be expensive, right? $50 sometimes, $100, $150 or more. And once that's complete, you will need Matic to pay for the fee. So you want to head over to TokenSwap. Now, if you converted Ethereum over to Polygon version of Ethereum, to do the swap actually, right, to then go from Polygon Ethereum to Polygon Matic, you're going to need Matic first, right? A very small amount. So the first thing that you want to do is swap for gas token. Remember, to make any transaction on Polygon, while it's not expensive, you need a very, very small amount to pay for the gas. So if you head over to swap for gas token and select one Matic, you can go ahead and then select your token or Ethereum, swap it for that one Matic so that you do now have Matic to perform those transactions. But like I said, that first bridge over, whether it's Matic to, Matic on Ethereum to Polygon Matic, or it's Ethereum to Polygon Ethereum, there's a high price right now because Ethereum gas fees are so high. So I'm gonna leave a post on Twitter, and on that post, go ahead and comment your MetaMask address. So first, like I showed you before, you can go ahead and add the Polygon network to your MetaMask wallet. Then go ahead on that post and comment your MetaMask wallet, and I will send you Polygon. And this is not a giveaway, guys. It's just gonna be a few pennies that I will be sending. So if you already have Polygon Matic to pay for these fees, go ahead and use it. If you don't, I am saving you from having to do this conversion fee on the Ethereum mainnet. Like I said, 50, 100, maybe even more. So again, this is not a giveaway. This is just to cover your fee so that you can claim these NFTs for free. And now let's talk about the Uniquely token. So like any token, there needs to be utility and a use case. So with this token, there are a few different use cases. The first one is that this token can be used for a discount on each purchase and sale on their platform in return for holding Uniquely tokens. Number two, 15% of the profits from the platform are paid to Uniquely holders as ETH rewards. Number three, 15% of the profits from the platform are spent on the buyback and burn of unique tokens. And this is something to mention. The team is planning to have a buyback and burn program in order to reduce the supply. Number four, the Uniquely token holders receive more profits in their affiliate program. Number five, Uniquely tokens can be staked for special NFT rewards. Number six, discounts on products and services when paying with Uniquely tokens. Number seven, access to exclusive collection for owners of at least 10,000 Uniquely tokens. And number eight, the option to highlight and promote auctions will be available only to Uniquely token holders. And when it comes to this coin, there will be a total supply of 13 million coins. Most of the coins are in existence, and the rest of the tokens will gradually be released until February of 2022. And when we look at the Uniquely token, it definitely is a small cap coin with a market cap of 6.6 million. This is very small. And as I mentioned in previous videos, this would be considered a very small cap, high risk, high reward coin. So I wouldn't put any money, not into this coin specifically, but a small cap coin if you have money that you can't afford to lose or money that you need in the immediate short term. And yes, this is a sponsored video, right? But I'm not just gonna sit here and tell you, uniquely to the moon. The reason why I made this video and took it as a sponsor is because I wanted to speak about the platform first, which I am a big fan of, and the token comes second. But if Uniquely continues with their roadmap and delivers, it is likely that the token will follow. But again, this is a very small cap coin, high risk, high reward, so I needed to make that disclaimer for you. And in terms of accessing this coin, it is now available in a few places. It is now listed on MEXC Global, which is a centralized exchange, and also listed on Bilaxy. It is also listed on Uniswap, an Ethereum decentralized exchange, and now because it's also on Matic, it is available on QuickSwap, which is a decentralized exchange for Polygon. So this token is an ERC20 token, but it also can be converted or bridged over into a Polygon Matic token, and you can do that on the bridge as well, right? If you have Uniquely tokens that are ERC20 and you want to convert them over into Polygon, you can head over to the bridge and you can convert them. Again, as we mentioned before, Ethereum fees right now can get pretty high. But like I said, if you want to claim these NFTs and you don't want to go through that conversion fee, I got you. So head over to my Twitter, to this post, and drop your MetaMask address down below, and I will send you Polygon Matic to cover those fees. I hope that you guys have a great day. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.